Let's welcome in the management at ITD Cementation. They declared numbers. There, the margins are looking slightly weak. The management is now joining us. Mr. Prasad Patwardhan, CFO at ITD Cementation. So, execution has been strong, but margins have been weak. Can you explain the quarter?
Well, in terms of execution, you are right. We have reported a top line of about 654 crores. As compared to on a quarter-on-quarter basis, we were at 575 crores in the December quarter, and a year ago we were at 523 crores. So our top line growth has been pretty good, grown by about 25%. There is improvement in the bottom line as well. In the quarter ending March 2017, we had reported a profitability of 15 crores, and this quarter our profit has jumped to 28 crores. So all in all, it is a healthy performance based on a very strong order book and good orders that we have secured in the first quarter.
Mr. Patwardhan, when execution rises, generally we see an overall improvement in the margins as well, but this time it's been disappointing. What would you attribute that to? Would it be the rise in raw material prices, and more importantly, where do you see your margins?
Well, it is a combination of two factors. One, yes, you are right, there is an increase in the raw material costs, that some of it has got passed on to our customers, the other costs have not. The other reason is, marine contracts used to form a substantial part of our revenue in the previous year, but in this quarter, since the marine projects, large marine projects that were under execution have got completed, and large part of the contribution to our revenue in this quarter has been from urban infra and metro projects, where the margins have been a bit lower than they are in the other segment, in the marine segment.
Right. Can you just tell us that, when you say that certain costs have been passed on, certain costs have been not, are they fixed price contracts? So if commodity price go up, you will still continue to hurt your margins?
No, it's not that. Most of our contracts have escalation clauses, but the escalation formula in the contract may not permit the entire increase in the raw material cost to be passed on to the customer. It depends on the formula which is defined in the contract. So that is why I said that if there is an X% increase in the raw material cost, the entire X% may or may not get passed on to the customer. Some part of it may have to be absorbed by us.
Right, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for taking out time for us. Always good to get perspective from you. That was the management at ITD Cementation. Strong execution, margins weak, but I want the management saying that there are certain formulas, so it will take some time before the entire pass through of commodities